Good morning, Latin 1 students. This is Miss Stewart, and I'm going to teach y'all today about infinitives. You've seen them a couple of times already this week, so now we're just going to make some sense of it. And you've also got access to the Google Classroom slideshow. So this is going to be something that you can kind of look at and refer back to and do with it what you need so that you can make sense of this. It's not a hard concept at all, I promise. Okay, so what in the world is an infinitive in English? An infinitive is a verb form that begins in English with the word to, but an infinitive is not a preposition. So in English, to run is an infinitive, to laugh is an infinitive, to play is an infinitive, and to sing is an infinitive, because if you run, that's an action verb. If you laugh, that's an action verb. If you play, that's an action verb. And if you sing, that's an action verb. So those are all infinitives. So taking a look at this one, I want to sing a song. To sing would be the infinitive. I am able to spin a flag. To spin would be the infinitive. Look at the last example. Are you going to prom? To prom seems like an infinitive, but is prom a verb? No, prom is a noun. That's something that people tend to be able to go to as juniors and seniors in high school. So that one is a misleading one. That is not an infinitive, okay? So Latin infinitives are actually easier than English infinitives. So basically 99% of Latin infinitives are going to end with the letters R-E. So a Latin infinitive will look like a long A-R-E, a long E-R-E, a short E-R-E, or a long I-R-E. So looking at the three examples, loquax cantare vult. Cantare is our infinitive. It ends on an R-E. Servi dominum videre nolunt. Where would be the infinitive on that one? Videre. It ends on an R-E. Salvius bregantem punire potest. What would be the infinitive in that one? You are right. Punire. It ends in an R-E. Okay. So the last part of this we need to figure out is something called conjugation. Y'all remember nouns have declensions, their first declension, second declension, or third declension. Well, Latin verbs do something similar, but they're called conjugations. So a first conjugation verb is going to end in a long A-R-E. A second conjugation verb is going to end in a long E-R-E. Third conjugation verb is going to end in a short E-R-E. And a fourth conjugation verb is going to end in a long IRE. Now that at first seems pretty confusing, but if you look at those, they go in alphabetical order. You have an A, and then a long E, and then a short E, and then a long I, and then all of them have a RE. So if we're looking at just this little vowel right here, let me zoom in, right? So we're looking at that long A, the long E, the short E, the long I. Alphabetical order, A, E, I, O, U would be our vowels in English. So we have an A, E, I. So those are alphabetical. And we have two E's. So that's alphabetical too because the first E is long, second one is short. L comes before S, so long E, short E. So we have a long A, long E, short E, long I, and then a R-E. Okay? So that's it for infinitives, and you're going to translate them as to do something. So Bregenz, non vult, does not want, laborare, to work. Look at the third example. Pueri, the boys, non possunt, are not able, festinare, to hurry. Look at the third example. Servi, the slaves, nolunt, do not want, videre, to see, the dominum, master. And then on the last one, salvius voluit, wanted, inspicere, to inspect the farm. Okay? So that is it for infinitives. So pretty fast and furious, but they're really common. So please take some time to go back over these, and you've got an activity that will help make sure that you understand what you're doing. And I hope everybody's doing well, and let me know what questions you have. Thanks.